evening to be at the Delaware State Fair. And earlier in that afternoon, with my staff, I had prowled around the Delaware State Fair, and I found out exactly what one should do and not do. And they had a mechanical bull there. And I convinced my staff, well, yeah, he's over here. He's about 6'4", about 300 and some pounds, to play football at Delaware. We got in on that bull. 6 seconds later, he was flat on his back. And my press secretary is as small as Ian is large, and 6 seconds after she got off, she went flat on his back. We got talking about this. And Charlie was down there with his good family, and he was prowling around doing his thing. And we got talking about it. We convinced him that maybe it would be a good idea to ride this bull. And so we got over there, and he got on the bull, and I sat there and pressed my little watch, and lo and behold, it's on the bull for 11 seconds, on for 8 seconds, you win $150 or something like that. Well, he had not bought that particular package, so I guess I went back on. And eventually we went off of the bull, but he's got the pictures of it, he's got the DVDs, he'll be on YouTube. He's going to elect the lieutenant governor of the state of Delaware.
You know, I was half as smart as many of you think I am. Right now, I rely on what Charlie and Mike said. That was very flattering. The picture of our state is not flattering. I'm Bill Lee. I want to be your governor. I'm a Marine, prosecutor, and a judge. I spent my whole life making tough decisions. And I'm seeking a job where tough decisions are going to need to be made every day. I love this state. I've lived here all my life. But our state is at a crossroads. Delaware's low taxes and educated workforce once set the standard for a nation, but we've lost the edge.